What is up, guys? It's Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favourite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what I'm doing now is, I've done this before on the floor, right? But I'm doing it on the ramp this time because it's a lot easier. It's a lot easier. We'll show you guys how easy it is doing it on the ramp. I did it on the floor, struggle on the floor, but this is going to be on the ramp. Audi A3, 2015 Audi A3. It's the 2-litre TDI diesel. We're going to go ahead and replace the oil filter and oil. And I'll show you how to reset the oil service as well, and the inspection. Let's go, let's do it. Okay, so we'll take the oil cap off. I mean, you don't have to do this if you don't want to do this, but you know, be all scientific, everything. You know, air goes in, makes the oil come out a bit faster and everything. I'm not a scientist anyway, so first things first, that's what I do. Take the oil cap off. I'll send the car up on the ramp. That's it. Okay, the next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bottom cover off. Okay, the VW standard VW Audi cover. Torx 25 all along the side here and all along the this side as well. On the back there'll be a Torx 45. Take them three off. Okay, let's take this cover off. Okay, after this cover's off, you guys know the drill. We've done this so many times together. We're going to take the sun plug off. I've already cracked it. 19mm on this VW Audi, basically. Audi VW is the mostly 19. This Audi A3, 2015, 16 kind of thing. 19mm sun plug. Let's take that off. Let's go. Okay, I've drained the oil, put the sun plug back on. As you can see there, the oil is on the floor, the oil pan's on the floor. The thing is, I get this question asked a lot, okay, from my subscribers and from my customers, mainly my customers. The oil's gone black. They go, oh, oil's gone really black. Be straight up honest with you guys, diesel, TDI, 2-litre TDI, even on the petrol, it takes a bit longer, but the diesel, okay, you put new fresh oil in a diesel car, okay, I've drained the oil, I'm going to take the filter off, new filter, new oil, within about, I would say, maximum half an hour. Okay, within half an hour, 20 minutes to half an hour, it's going to go black again. That's why we don't replace it, we don't change the oil because it's gone black. It might be black, but it might be good. Okay, so the reason that's why they have a time-based inspection or a mileage-based inspection. It's not with the color of the oil. If the oil is you know, nice and clear and everything, it could have been in there for about 1 year. Okay, time for change. Basically, we go with the mileage or we go with the time. Okay, we don't go with the color of the oil. All right, so I thought I'll clear that up for you, because if I put fresh oil in this, within 5-10 minutes it's going to go black again. Diesel, that's what happens. Anyway, I'm going to do the filter. Let's go, let's do it. Okay, the filter lives in there, so if you go under the car here, straight in there, there it is. Okay, we need a size 32 or a 33 socket. 32 will go on it, but it's a snug fit. So what you want is a 33 actually. It'll go on nice and easy. Take that off, anti-clockwise, counterclockwise. Let's go. Okay guys, I've got the oil filter back in there. Obviously, I've done this before, so I'm not going to show you how to put the oil filter back in. Put the seal on. Make sure you put the seal on there and just tighten it up. I mean, if you want to go all professional and everything, 25 Newton meters. But strictly honest with you, I'll be straight up honest with you, it's hand tight. Basically hand tight with a ratchet. That's more than 25 Newton meters. But if you want to get the old torque wrench out, 25 Newton meters. Just tighten it up. Let's go. Okay, cover is back on. Let's send it down. Let's drop the car down. Put some oil in it. Okay, the best way to do it is, I mean, if you want to go with the handbook, look it up in the handbook how many liters it takes. But the best way to do it, I think, is just check it on the dipstick, fill it up. Okay, check it on the dipstick. I would say put about 3 liters, 3.5 liters in it, then check it, go accordingly, and yeah, just go from there. Okay, so I'm just going to check it, put the dipstick in, pull it back out. As you can see there, it is slightly above the maximum, which is good. We want it to be slightly above the maximum because we're going to start it up. Once we start it up, it's going to go into all the into the oil filter, into the nuts and crannies and everything. You put the oil in first. Make sure you put it slightly above the maximum, because when you start it up, it's going to sink down, go into the oil filters, things like that. Right, okay, let's put the cap back on, start it up. Okay, after you've had it running, all you do is recheck the oil, make sure it's on the right position, the right level, and that's about it. I'll show you how to reset the oil service, and that's about it. Job done. Okay, we've replaced the oil, we've replaced the oil filter. I'm going to show you guys how to reset the oil inspection. I mean, it's dead easy. Takes you 2 minutes. Let's do it. Okay, we're going to do it on this system here using this. I've done it in the past before. I've showed you guys before. Let's do it again. So we're going to go ahead. We're using this. Go into the car. Press that. Okay, and then we're going to go to systems, which is this button here. Okay, and then all we're going to go to is servicing and checks. Service intervals. Using this. And as you can see there, next oil change is in 9,100 or 365 days. I've already done it, but if you want to reset it, all you do is you scroll down with this, and it says reset oil change interval. You can do that. Or the thing, this one here, the inspection, you cannot reset that using this. You have to get a diagnostic software for the inspection. For the oil change, you can do it via this one, but for the inspection, you can't do it. Okay, you need the diagnostic for that. I've already mentioned that on another video. Check that video out and give me a like, thumbs up and everything. Yeah, so that's how we do it.